we got a fish. I got a fish trolling. Or I got a snag. No, that's a fish. Oh yeah, it's a fish. Ooh, good fish. Now he's coming towards me. Ooh, what is that? It's a big chain. Damn it. Whatever he is, he doesn't want to get caught now. Now he's decided this is no good. And he bit it off. Oh, damn. Darn. I should have had these rods stowed in the back. I messed that up big time. That was just poor performance. That was a nice chain pickerel and I messed it up. Gosh almighty. And I lost my lure. Bad. Gotta get these rods out of the way. Son of a gun. He nailed it. It's so funny, they won't hit the spinner. Then they'll hit that. There's no way he's gonna hit again. He bit right through the line. What a shock. Darn it. That's a fish. I got a fish again. As soon as I start to troll, I get a fish. And this one's another one, nice one too. Good Lord, if it's another chain pickerel, I'm gonna be... He is really pulling. Yep. Oh, it's a nice big crappie. Oh yeah. Alright. That's always welcome. Now that's a keeper. Yes, thank you, Mr. Crappie. Always welcome, Mr. Crappie. Another great demonstration of fine fishing skills. Just sit there, Mr. Crappie. I'm gonna put a stringer on you. You aren't gonna like it, but I'm gonna do it. You're not getting out of the boat. You're not gonna get away. I'm sorry. You think you are, but you're not. You're strong. Specimen of the crappie. I think I got him now, though. This spot seems to be holding fish, so let's just cast to it then. it is. It's either a snag. Oh, it's a fish. Ooh, yeah. Nice fish. Took a little bit of drag. Ooh. Crappie. Big crappie. Nice crappie. Let's not lose him now, Nick. But he's not that great. He's okay. Should I add him to the collection? Yeah. He's not that great. He's a keeper.